Define probate. Introduction. Probate is a court procedure by which a will is proved to be valid or invalid in current usage. This term has been expanded to generally refer to the legal process wherein the estate of a descendant is administered. Meanings of probation. In the common law, probate consisted of probatio, the proof of the will by the executor, and approbation, the approbation given by the ecclesiastical judge to the proof. Probate bond. It is one required by law to be given to the probate court or judge as incidental to proceedings in the such courts, such as the bonds of executor, administrator, and guardians. Probate court. It is a court having general powers over probate wills, administration of estate, empowered to appointed guardians or approve the adoption of minor. Probate estate. The property of a decedent that is subject to administration by the executor or administrator of an estate is called probate estate. Definition of probate. According to section 2F of the Succession Act, probate means the copy of a will certified under the seal of a court of a competent jurisdiction with a grant of administration to the estate of the testator. Thus, copy of the will and copy of the grant of administration of the testator. Significance of probate. Though the executor derives his title from the will and not the probate, still the probate is the only proper evidence of the executor's appointment of the executor and the execution of the will. Grant of probate. The grant of probate to the executor does not confer upon him any title to the property which the testator himself has no right to dispose of, but only perfects the representative title of the executors to the property which did belong to the testator and over which he had a disposing power. The court is not justified in refusing probate because the testator has no power to dispose of some or all of the property he purported to deal with. Hence, the grant of probate be no bar to the determination of any question of title or to a suit for the constitution of the will. Probate in general. Probate general is an official process of preparing that will is correct. More particularly, it is a copy of a will with an original certificate that is correct. Generally, a probate process involves collecting a decedent's assets, liquidating liabilities, paying necessary taxes, and distributing property to heirs. These activities are carried out by executor or administrator of the estate, usually under the supervision of the probate court of the appropriate jurisdiction. Guys, this is about the probate with answer. Kindly inbox me with comments about any mistakes or for